left darker bay, wasting time. She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So Vicky and I decided to try something we've never done before. We decided to try the free camping near Galveston at Bolivar Flats Beach, and I'm so glad we did. So of course the first things we did after we got our van settled was get on the e-bikes and go for a ride. Oh, it was just perfect. It was so beautiful. This beach was made for e-bikes, let me tell you what. So this beach isn't very far from Galveston. It's just a ferry ride over, and it's free camping. So when we initially pulled up, there was some signage, and if you went to the right, it was paid camping fee. You had to have a parking permit. It's like $10. Or if you went to the left, it was free. And I don't know why that was, but of course we went to the left. So we went to the left for the free camping. We saw immediately a fifth wheel, and then a really, really cool schoolie, and a truck camper, and then another, it was like a travel trailer. And so we passed all of them and went down as far as we could to the furthest camping away from them. So all told, I think there's 6 or maybe 7 of us on this whole beach. It was fabulous. A couple of people came out for day use and they went fishing and stuff. But so yeah, this was great. This was awesome. I always say the less you pay, the more space you have on your campsite. And even though this was free, they did have trash cans, and they also did have a porta potty at the front entrance. So that was kind of cool. On freecampsites.net, it says it's about a quarter of a mile of free camping, but it's further than that. I would say it's a good half mile, 3/4 of a mile, and then it comes to this little impassable spot where there's an outlet of a river coming down, so you can't really cross that. But yeah, overall, this was a lovely, lovely spot. Now, this beach is not extremely clean, and that saddens me because Texas beaches are so beautiful. It really does make me sad that there's so much trash here. But our little campsite was cool. It was clean. We picked up what we could, and yeah, we just had an enjoyable time. So we were going to go for this little bike ride, and hope you enjoy. Hi. Good. Just wondering, have you been here a couple of nights? Or how high does the tide get?
Right now it's the highest it's been.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because they're saying high tides stay at like 5 something. So we were trying to figure out how high it might get.
Yeah, the highest is supposed to be, since we've been here, is supposed to be 7:45 tonight.
Okay.
So we're going to kind of judge it on that.
Yeah. At one point, I just kind of set my camera out and decided to just kind of film the surf. And it turns out that sea foam is quite entertaining. I'll put a little bit of that here. But it was really fun. It just kind of moved around. It was fun. This is interesting to me because this is something out of my norm. I've never been a beach camper. If you ask me beach or mountains, I'm always mountains. But I don't know. This was great. I want to do this again for sure. I'm holding the camera and Vicky's digging. Look how pretty.
Wait a minute. What's wrong with this picture?
Nothing.
Huh.
Beautiful, lovely picture. Whoa. That is a big ship. And a lovely sunset on a lovely day with a lovely campfire. Yep. That's what we're doing. Wow, what a strange set of footprints. Interesting. You think somebody was just dragging their feet?
Well, they were dragging something.
They were dragging something.
I think we should go investigate.
All right, let's see where these tracks lead us.
All right.
Probably that big ship over there.
Nothing to say.
Nothing to say.